What's up guys, this is another video on LTJ. This time we're going on a trip back with my friends today. This crap's scary. So comfy kinda. But I'm at my friend's house or whatever. Not my friend's house, my dad's friend's house. So we'll just ride for a little bit. I'll probably add this one on the other one. Wait, I need to do something. Wait, I don't have any weights on there. I knew I had it. Yeah, we're good. I hope you can hear me. I'm just too scared to go that fast. After 5 to 10 minutes with you guys on me because I'm too scared for this. I'm gonna see if I can find a better way. Alright, I think that's good, guys. Let's check. I'm back, guys. We are back. I can't be riding that much. I have nothing to strap you on for here. So, I guess this is in it, but we're gonna walk next to this creek. I found that other day. Let's get onto it. Good fishing spot right there. People been here. Yeah, okay. You good? We're going slow and making videos because winter time mostly, and my parents don't do anything in winter time. Some more berries. This ain't the biggest creek. Well, it gets bigger up there. Maybe even like 2 feet, 3. Right there, see? Stuff keeping trying to go on my eye for sure. I was thinking of making a video making sure the man could be over here somewhere. So open. I'll show you this fishing spot I just found. Oh, we got some waterfalls. That's sick, dude. I bet how many fish in there in the summertime for sure. Okay, let's head back up here. I might go fishing. After this, maybe right there. I don't know if there's anything in it. To be honest with you guys. No one knows. This This area over here is sick. Getting wider and wider every time I walk. Let's go a foot deep water or whatever. I'm just looking for fish. The whole creek is filled with leaves. Yo, this is sick. Imagine making a fort right here, dude. I think I will do that one day. I can even move. Yo, it gets much deeper over there. Let's head up this mountain. Or hill. It's deeper waterfalls. I don't know how all these trees fell down. I guess it was hot or something. And it had no water for months. That's a easy way to say. Imagine we find a hunter's sand inside it. I'll take it. I am supposed to get a hunter's stand soon. Oh yeah, I might go hunting tomorrow. So yeah. No way the creek stops up there. I think I'm getting close to the pond. I don't know, step right there. When we hit the pond, I have no idea what we're going to do. Good areas make forts. Honestly. That's sick right there. Oh, they don't stop. It's just a big root. I'll never touch. These spiky trees are insane. The creek should be getting bigger. This is sick. Look at that tree. Don't want to step right there, honestly. It would be cool to go down there. Yeah. I'm standing on a big hole. I can make a fort. I just fell. I ain't gonna stand right there. We're going this way. So I ain't dying today. It's so good this way. So my nose is running. It's winter. I can't do anything about it. Unless it's a medicine. We got that tree. It fell down. Let's go around this place. Myself say off wheel. But there's a tree, so let's take it one step at a time. It's big. Relax. Yo, how much we getting closer to the neighborhood? Small neighborhood I'm getting to, I guess. Or just random hunters going on this property. Crazy ones. Holy crap. Imagine I find a dead body. Dude. That'd be insane, dude. And I'm trying to find some deer antlers while we walk. That'll be not hunting season, but still hunting season. It smells like beer, dude. It's where people smoke crack. I might turn back in a minute. You do not want to eat a crap. You got a vine on me, I'm just walking with it. It's about 2 feet, but about 2 feet. This summer, we're gonna go be pick up a bunch of stuff. Probably not. We might be meeting up with Blue Gabe. I don't know who that is, but it's a YouTuber. Every time I choose, type of native. On the way back. Dude, here's a fence. This is 3 o'clock shotgun. Well, I might be coming back when I ATV ride, maybe. Yeah, see you guys.